Welcome, everyone, to today's presentation on the benefits of VISI for Die Design. I'm thrilled to have this opportunity to share with you how VISI can revolutionize your die design process. So, let's dive right in and explore the amazing features that VISI has to offer. VISI Blank has the ability to improve both efficiency and accuracy in die design. With its advanced algorithms and intelligent automation, this software can generate high-quality blank shapes in a fraction of the time it would take manually. By eliminating guesswork and human error, VISI Blank ensures precise results every time, enabling you to deliver superior products to your customers. VISI Blank features an intuitive user interface that is designed to streamline your workflow. Its user-friendly tools and interactive visuals make it easy to navigate and create blanks for your die designs with ease. Whether you are a seasoned professional or new to die design, VISI Blank provides a seamless experience that boosts your productivity and creativity. VISI Blank offers powerful validation capabilities that allow you to analyze the metal part before manufacturing. By simulating the blanking process, you can identify potential issues, such as wrinkles or splitting, and make necessary adjustments to ensure optimal performance. This feature saves time, eliminates costly errors, and ensures the final product meets the highest quality standards. Next, let's discuss Springback calculations in VISI This powerful software allows us to accurately simulate the Springback effect in sheet metal forming processes, revolutionizing the way we design dies. First, let's understand what Springback really is. Springback is the tendency of a metal sheet to return to its original shape after being bent or formed. This is a critical phenomenon to consider when designing dies for sheet metal forming, as it can lead to dimensional inaccuracies in the final product. By accurately simulating Springback, we can optimize our die designs and ensure precise manufacturing. Now let's talk about the benefits of using VISI for Springback simulation. Firstly, this software provides us with a comprehensive set of tools and features specifically designed for calculating and simulating Springback. We can easily define material properties, simulate a variety of forming processes, and analyze the results in detail. Additionally, VISI offers seamless integration with our existing die design workflow, making it efficient and convenient to incorporate Springback simulation into our designs. To conclude, Springback simulation in VISI is a game-changer for die design in sheet metal forming. It allows us to accurately predict and optimize the Springback effect, ensuring precision and efficiency in our manufacturing processes. By incorporating Springback simulation into our design workflow, we can reduce costly errors and deliver high-quality products to our customers. VISI is specifically designed for die design and strip layouts. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and features that streamline the entire process, from creating the initial strip layout to simulating the manufacturing process. VISI offers a wide range of efficient design tools that simplify the creation of strip layouts. It offers intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, where you can easily place and arrange parts within the strip. You can also make use of tools to create and split shear punches, pilot holes, forms, and cam, just to name a few. These tools make the design process faster, more accurate, and highly customizable. The software reduces design iterations, and provides real-time feedback, allowing designers to focus more on creativity and innovation. This leads to faster turnaround times, increased efficiency, and ultimately, higher customer satisfaction.